Hello family and friends, we are so glad you're joining us here today for this project. It's a bird cage with a skeleton bird for Halloween. It's a very simple and inexpensive project to create. The supplies I had to purchase were the 2 wire baskets, the bird skeleton, 2 fall leaf picks, 1 fall berry pick, and everything I purchased at the dollar store. What I already had was a small cake board and black paint that I had previously purchased from Walmart. I had Spanish moss and twine that I purchased from the dollar store for another project. I used my glue gun with glue sticks, a wire cutter, scissors, and embossing tools. I start the project using the embossing tool to mark the cutting line around the board. I cut the cake board to fit the inside bottom of one of the baskets. Next, I paint both baskets and the cake board black. The fall leaves and the berries were too bright for me, so I sprayed them with a little bit of black paint, just to coat down the brightness. I really like the toned down color of the leaves, which you'll see shortly. After everything dried, I put the cake board in the bottom of one of the baskets and I glued the bird to the bottom of it. And then I added Spanish moss around it. I tried to hot glue the baskets, but that didn't work, so I used twine instead. I wrapped 1 loop between each of the vertical wires, and then I tried 2 loops, and I liked the 2 loops better. If you use a thicker twine, 1 loop would have been sufficient. When I made a full circle with the twine, I tied it in a double knot and cut off the excess twine. Next, I cut the fall leaves to individual short stems. I did the same with the fall berries, and then I start gluing them to the top and the side of the basket. I fussed with the leaves a little bit till I got the look I wanted, and this is the final result. It's an inexpensive project, but has a big impact. I will do several Halloween projects over the next few weeks, and at the end of the month, I'll do a mini tour of how it looks all put together. We look forward to you joining us for the next video, which will be another Halloween project so you can build your decor for your home or a Halloween party. Until next week, make it a gorgeous day every day, and we look forward to seeing you again. Bye!